Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Bell Buckley. Hey, how do you pronounce this town?
Bell buckle.
Buckle as in a belt buckle?
Yep, bell buckle. Like a bell, ring the bell, buckle. Yep.
But it's not a belt buckle.
No, it's bell buckle.
It kind of gets confusing, don't it?
Nah.
Y'all got Secret Service up here, Homeland Security?
Yep.
What are they doing up here?
There's a lot of people here.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah.
How many people you think be here today?
The last big year we had was like 40,000.
I see. Good talking to you, you hear?
You too, thank you.
I don't know about y'all, but at one point
Bell Buckle. Buckle.
see this why I don't like talking to you, because you don't listen to anything I say. I repeat myself all the time to you.
Well, you can pick up on some hairy conversations out here, can't you? You got it made, man. You got it made. Imagine the further I get into this, the more thicker it'll be. Or the thicker it'll become. Nothing but a sea of people. Hey, did y'all order this cooler weather? Thank you. Appreciate that. I like it like this.
You know what that means, Heather? The mini donuts are closed. I know.
A few people out here got the mask on, I see. Oh, y'all Tennesseans?
That's it, Mother. We found the booth that we were looking for. There it is.
Coming through? I'll let you. You got a voucher? I'll let you through if you got a voucher. Yeah, it's getting thicker. More and more people. I'm gonna see if I can't do something right here. I don't know if it'll do any good or not. See what it hurt. Y'all done checked out everything over there? You're the emergency squad.
Yes, sir.
Good for you. They claim, I don't know how true it is, but this is the second largest event that the state of Tennessee has. And the first one is their homecoming. Their homecoming game up in Knoxville. Tennessee increased about 500,000 or 600,000 people last year, even during COVID. Which I don't know if that was a minus or a plus in making it look more appealing towards people wanting to move to Tennessee. I think they got about 7, almost 8 million people here now. Quite a few people for a southern state. Put my phone in my pocket. That way I can pay more attention to what I'm doing out here and what's being said. Don't want to be distracted, especially with a sea of people. At any given moment, a kid or a dog or somebody could jump out in front of you, and the next thing you know, you've done already hit a pedestrian. And of course, if you hit a pedestrian, it's automatically your fault. It don't matter if they pull out in front of you and lay down. If you hit one of them, it's your fault. Pedestrians always have the right of way. That's what they claim. Hey, are you giving away samples? You giving away samples? Could I have a sample?
We came last time. John.
They're made with wheat.
Takes you a while just to get over here, don't it?
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Scholar.
Okay. I think that was the town council or town mayor just went by on a buggy. I've had this thing turned the wrong way all along. Let's turn it off.